Some foods, plain and inexpensive, keep your heart beating steadily every single day. They do not come with a heart attack prevention label, but their effectiveness has been scientifically proven. And the most surprising part is this: many people still overlook them every day. In the previous video, I shared 5 familiar foods, such as fatty fish walnuts, pomegranate green tea, and apples, your daily companions in preventing heart attacks in older adults. These are easy to find, easy to eat, and scientifically shown to help reduce cholesterol, clean arteries, and support stable blood pressure. But the journey to protecting your heart does not end there. In today's video, I will introduce 5 more foods that may not stand out but quietly play an essential role. They help prevent atherosclerosis, support healthy blood flow, and are especially suitable for the diets of older adults in the U.S. Easy to digest, not heavy, and simple enough to be incorporated into a heart-healthy lifestyle every day. 1. Oats. The golden fiber that keeps arteries clear and eases the heart's burden. After the age of 60, many people start to worry about high cholesterol, unstable blood pressure, and the risk of atherosclerosis. These concerns are entirely valid because blood vessels in older adults often lose elasticity and are more prone to accumulating fat. The surprising part is that just 1 bowl of oats a day can make a real difference. Oats are a rich source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been well studied for its ability to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs the arteries. When blood fat levels drop, arteries remain open and the heart has to work less, which helps prevent heart attacks more effectively. The biggest advantage: oats are easy to prepare and suit a wide range of tastes. For older adults, simply cooking them with soft water or low-fat milk. Then adding banana slices, a spoonful of flaxseed, and a little honey makes a delicious and heart-healthy breakfast. For variety, you can bake oat bars with apple and cinnamon, cook oat porridge with vegetables, or even make oat pancakes with eggs and bananas. Oats are also ideal for those at higher risk, such as people with diabetes, high blood pressure, or anyone concerned about how to prevent heart attack naturally. 2. Tomato. The red fruit that helps your blood vessels stay young every day. More than just a familiar kitchen ingredient, tomatoes are genuinely one of the silent heroes that help clean the arteries and keep the heart healthy if you know how to use them correctly. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that, according to multiple studies published by Harvard Health and the European Journal of Nutrition, has been shown to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis by up to 50%. What makes lycopene unique is that it becomes most effective when the tomato is cooked, unlike many other vegetables. That is why, instead of eating tomatoes only raw, you should make use of them in dishes like tomato and egg soup, which is light, easy to digest, and suitable for older adults. Tomato sauce for fish chicken, or whole grain pasta, which enhances flavor without needing excessive salt. Stewed tomatoes with onions and olive oil are a perfect recipe to boost lycopene absorption. For those who do not enjoy eating rice, tomatoes can be blended into a refreshing smoothie with lemon and a pinch of pink salt, both delicious and supportive of heart health. Tomatoes not only help prevent heart attack from the root, but they also support healthy skin and slow down aging, which many of my patients love. If you are looking for a natural remedy for heart health that is easy to apply, tomatoes are a must-have in every older adult's kitchen. And if tomatoes are the red shield for your blood vessels. The next small seed we will talk about is the golden shield, packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and a range of quiet benefits that many people still do not know about. Next, we will discuss a fruit that is often found on the family table, but few people realize it contains a natural compound that may reduce the risk of blocked arteries by up to 50%. 3. Flax seeds. Small but mighty, calming every heartbeat. If you are looking for a natural source of omega-3 fatty acids that does not come from fish and is easy to include in daily meals, flax seeds are the answer. These tiny seeds contain ALA alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based form of omega-3 fatty acid that helps lower bad cholesterol. LDL reduces inflammation and keeps blood vessel walls more flexible over time. According to the National Institutes of Health (NIH), adding just 2 tablespoons of flax seeds per day can help improve lipid profiles and reduce the risk of heart disease in middle-aged and older adults, especially when combined with a diet low in saturated fat. The best part is that flax seeds are very easy to use. You can sprinkle them over oatmeal yogurt or your morning smoothie. Add them to muffin batter cookies or whole grain bread to boost fiber, and add a light natural crunch. If you enjoy fresh juices, blend flax seeds with carrots, beets, and a few apple slices for a powerful blood vessel cleansing recipe. Ideal for older adults. Additionally, ground flax seeds can be used as an egg substitute in many vegetarian dishes, making them ideal for those who need to lower their cholesterol without sacrificing nutrition. Do not forget that flax seeds need to be ground or lightly crushed to be adequately absorbed, as their outer shell is quite challenging. For storage, keep them in an airtight container in the fridge to prevent oxidation. While flax seeds offer inner peace for your heart, the next food is a humble root with the power to naturally expand your blood vessels as if it were releasing the flow of blood throughout your body. 4. Beets. A natural vasodilator. Beets are not only visually striking due to their deep purple color, but they are also a standout food for naturally widening blood vessels, especially for individuals over 60 who are at high risk of high blood pressure or atherosclerosis. The reason lies in their high content of natural nitrates. Once inside the body, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a compound that helps blood vessels relax, reduces pressure on vessel walls, stabilizes blood pressure, and eases the workload on the heart. A study published in the Hypertension Journal showed that individuals who consumed beet juice daily for 1 week experienced a systolic blood pressure reduction of 8 to 10 mmHg on average. This is a significant number of older adults dealing with heart disease. Even better, beets are extremely easy to prepare. You can boil beets, dice them, and mix them into a salad with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a bit of black pepper to create a heart-friendly appetizer that is both tasty and healthy. Or juice them with lemon, carrot, and apple to create a drink that helps clean arteries. If you prefer something warm, try beet soup with potatoes and shallots. It is naturally sweet and easy to digest for older adults. You can also bake or dehydrate beets into snacks for a healthy flavor change. A quick note: people with kidney stones should use beets in moderation as they contain oxalates. But for most older adults, one small beet a day is a gentle prescription-free vasodilator. 5. Garlic, nature's antibiotic for your blood vessels. If there is one spice that is easy to find, inexpensive, and offers powerful protection for the heart, it is garlic. For thousands of years, traditional medicine from China to the Mediterranean has regarded garlic as a healing remedy, and modern science has confirmed this belief. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, is a sulfur-based substance with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. It also helps dilate blood vessels and lower LDL cholesterol, the key factors that lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. Multiple studies, including a review published in the Journal of Nutrition, show that garlic can reduce blood pressure by 7 to 9 mmHg and lower total cholesterol by 10% after just a few weeks of consistent use. The best part is that garlic is very versatile in cooking and does not cause flavor fatigue raw. The most straightforward method is to crush one clove, let it sit in the open air for 10 minutes to allow allicin to form, and then swallow. If the taste is too strong, mix it with honey or lemon juice. Cooked salt garlic in olive oil and add to boiled vegetables soup or porridge. It adds excellent flavor and is easy to eat. Pickled, soak garlic in apple cider vinegar or honey. Keep a jar in the kitchen as both a seasoning and as actually heart-healthy tonic. Garlic powder, sprinkle on salad toast or hard-boiled eggs to boost flavor while still getting the full benefits. One small note: garlic should be eaten raw or cooked at moderate temperatures, as high heat can destroy allicin, a compound that provides garlic health benefits. And remember, if you are taking blood thinners, talk to your doctor before using garlic in high doses. After the age of 60, the heart is no longer as strong as it was in younger years. But instead of waiting for prescriptions or surgeries, we can take control and protect our blood vessels and prevent heart attacks using the everyday foods already in our kitchen. From fatty fish, walnuts, pomegranate green tea, and apples to oats, tomatoes, flax seeds, beets, and garlic. Each one is packed with essential nutrients that help reduce inflammation, prevent plaque buildup, stabilize blood pressure, and protect the arteries. Most importantly, these foods are easy to find, simple to prepare, affordable, and especially suitable for older adults in the United States who need a diet that is both healthy and easy to digest. You do not need to change everything in one day. Just start today. Pick one food, cook it in a way that fits your taste, and repeat that choice tomorrow. Heart health does not come from a miracle. It comes from consistent and loving decisions you make for yourself. Your heart deserves to be protected from the very first plate.